All right, traders, today is April 23rd, 2024. It's the BYOB Market Wrap Up. Let's go take a look at some charts. Okay, first chart we're going to take a look at is SPY. Look at it on the daily chart. And we got a higher low, higher high. Closing between the bearish trap and the falling 17 EMA. It's a little 2-bar pullback. What we got so far. Maybe a third bar tomorrow. We'll see. In case there's a daily. All right. And let's take a look at QQQ. All right. Here's QQQ. Same thing. All right. Higher low, higher high. Closing inside the bearish trap under the falling 17 EMA. Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bearish cross, over the falling 17 EMA. Diamond Dow putting up a fight. Okay, IWM. IWM, higher low, higher high, closing over the bearish cross, under the 17 EMA. FNGU. Higher low, higher high, closing in the bearish trap under the 17 EMA. Okay, everything's still in a downtrend. Every single one of them still in a downtrend. All right, let's go with USO. USO, higher low, higher high, closing over the bearish trap and the 17 EMA. Nice candle there for USO. UNG, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish cross and the wavy 17 EMA. Got to break this high. Right there. Got to break these highs in order to be in an uptrend. Still in a downtrend. So USO in an uptrend. UNG in a downtrend. All right. Let's take a look on the daily charts. Okay. Speaking mainly about the daily charts. SLV. All right. SLV got a lower high, lower low. Closing under the bearish cross, under the 17 EMA, still in an uptrend. GLD. All right, GLD, lower high, lower low, closing under the bearish cross and under the 17 EMA. So there's GLD. SMH. Higher low, higher high, closing in the bearish trap under the falling 17 EMA. SMH still in a downtrend. XLF. XLF still in an uptrend. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap and over the 17 EMA. XLF still in an uptrend. IYT still in a downtrend. Higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish cross but underneath the falling 17 EMA. XLI. Okay, XLI still in. That's in a downtrend until it breaks this high right here. Okay, still in a downtrend because we broke this low. All right, higher low, higher high, closing over the falling 17 and the bullish cross. XLI, nice comeback for them. XLK, technology. XLK still in a downtrend until we take out this highs right up here. Okay, still in a downtrend. We made a low. We made a lower low. That puts us in a downtrend. Higher low, higher high, closing in the bearish trap under the falling 17 EMA. All right, let's take a peek at the dollar. Here we are with the dollar. Dollar has a pullback, 105.70 so far. We'll see where it closes tomorrow. All right, so on the technicals, let's look at the technicals. Okay, we came out of the midpoint. That's where we ended yesterday. And we bounced higher, made a higher high in the buyer's chop zone. Tried to break into the buy zone, but the bears threw us out. Okay, so right there in the buyer's chop zone all day. T2123, green, one red bar, multiple green, and then kind of a melt off in the afternoon. T2123, 15 minute. T2123, 3-bar chart. It's 3 candles for each day. breaking the day up into 3 equal sections. Still just consolidating on top of this rising 200 SMA. Never seen anything that perfect, but want it to bounce off. Need some lift here. Get back up to those prior highs. That's T2123. FNGU. Green from the first candle to the last candle with a big blast off at the end. All right, so there's FNGU. All right, traders. All right. Not a bad day. We played the uptrend up to here, and then we just floated to the right all day. Just, nothing happening on the SPY. Just played the uptrend to the high side, right up there, and then it just floated to the right all day. So nothing really happened. It wound up being a day to sell spreads. All right, so we got really thick consolidation here. So I'm expecting a breakout. All right, so we'll see what happens. We are expecting decent sized breakout. So there's a SPY on the 10-minute chart for the number. It's hard to say what the number would be for today. I mean, they didn't make anything really magical. I guess I'd have to say for tomorrow's pivot, right here, 505. Over 505, I'm a bull. Under it, probably going to be a bear. All right, over 505. That'll be the pivot for tomorrow. All right, I'm going to take questions, and then I'm going to head out. All right, I'll take a few questions. All right, any questions? No questions? All right. Let's call it a day. I'll see everybody tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning. I want to thank everyone for being here. I hope you all had a good day. It's a tough day. If you tried to play this momentum, we didn't get any. Just kind of meandered sideways for the rest of the day. All right. Hey, thanks, Lorraine. All right, everybody have a wonderful afternoon, a wonderful evening, okay? And everybody out there in video land, thank you for the kind comments. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can be notified. Helps me with the algorithm. Appreciate all that. Everybody have a beautiful evening. All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow at 8. Thank you. Yes, that is true, Lorraine. At 8 p.m. tonight. Got a little bit of training. Going to talk about my edge. Talk about the trader's edge. All right? So let's go. We'll see everybody tonight at 8. All right? If I don't see you tonight at 8, I'll see you tomorrow at 8. All right? So we'll see what happens. All right? Everybody have a good evening.